Good morning everyone, this is Rajkumar Shivari, PGT Mathematics at MLZS Jhansi. So students, today we will learn about function. So what is function? Function f is a rule by which elements of one set are related to elements of other set. For example, this is 1 function. Every element of set A has unique image, that is only one image. So this is called 1 function. See here, element A having one image, that is 3, element B having image 2, element C having image 1. So each element having only one image. So this is called 1 mapping, 1 function. After this is second one, many one function. Many element in set A bearing only one image, that is same image. So this is called many one function. Example of many one function is fx equals to x square. If we put x equal to 1, then we will get 1, and if we put x equal to minus 1, then also we get 1. So the image of 1 and minus 1 is same. So as this is called many one function. Now some important points about function, which are, this is very important case, element A having two images. So this is not a function because element in set A having two images in B. So it is not possible to element having two or more than two images. This is not a function. And the second case, we see here that in set A, element C is not having its image. So this is not a possible for a function. So this is not a function. These two condition every student should remember. In these two cases, function is not possible. Is not possible. Now next one is, after this, domain and range. What is domain? Let us suppose this is set A having element A, B, C, D. This is set B having element 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And function is mapping from set A to set B. Okay. Now in this, what is domain? So domain, the element of set A are called domain. For example, A, B, C, D, these are domain. Range, the elements of set B which are associated with set A are called range. Or we can say that the F images of set A are called range. That is 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the range. Codomain, it is clear that elements of the set B are called codomain. In this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 and 6 we also include. This is codomain. After this, image, we can also say that elements in set B which are related with set A are called images. For example, f of A is 2, f of B is 3, f of C is 4, f of A is 2, f of C is 4, f of B is 3, f of D is 5. So these are the images. And pre-images. What is pre-image? Pre-image, elements of set A are the pre-images of set B. That is 2 key pre-image A, and pre-image of 3 is B, pre-image of 4 is C, pre-image of 5 is D. So this is overall about function. Thank you very much.